All right, we have all 6 of the coils and spark plugs out. As you can see, the corrosion and wetness and whatnot looks horrible on 4 of them. The spark plugs don't look that healthy either. See if we can get some light down in here. All right. So what we did was, you disconnect your connector. There's a tab right here that you put your nitpicker on or whatever with a little 90-degree angle on it or a hook, and you pull it up. You pull your connector up. There is no screw holding the coil down. I used a pair of needle nose pliers and twisted very lightly so I wouldn't break the coils, because I thought I was going to reuse them, but obviously I'm not. So that's how the coils are removed out of a 2006 Cheyenne. I'm pretty sure it's the same for most of them. All right, have a nice day. Subscribe and like.